Hi guys, this is TechnoKit. Today I'll show you how to design this type of logo. In this tutorial I'll show you different techniques. First we play with different shapes, then we apply the gradient and then the transformation. So let's start now. First draw a triangle like this. Then just pick a point, let it be black. Just pick a point from the center of this line and pull it down. And similarly this one and this one like this. Now place a triangle over here and just select all the shapes and go to the pathfinder tool and divide it. After that ungroup them. Now you can delete the extra things like this. Now just scale it down a bit and apply the gradient. For the gradient let this be your blue, sky blue. Make this one parrot and this one is white. So for the gradient tool, apply the gradient from above to below like this. So yeah, after this, let's scale it down a bit more. Now go to the transformation tool and do the transformation. Let the angle be 60 and the copy be 6. Review it and do it till the time you think you got the desired shape. You can see different types of shape you can get from the transformation. Let it be like this one. Bring them a bit closer like this. So here you got your shape. So this is how you can do it. Yeah, a bit different from the above. This is because of the gradient. You feel it more different. So this one, yeah, this is how. So I hope you like the video. If you do, kindly do subscribe my channel and goodbye.